Dear students, this is class 5, chapter 3, multiples and factors. First, we are going to see the properties of multiples. There are 3 points. Point number 1, every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Point 2, the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. 3. The multiples of 2 are called even numbers, and the numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are called even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are called odd numbers. Let us see the example first. Finding multiples. Example 1. Find the first 5 multiples of 7. First 5 means numbers 1 to 5. Multiples of 7 means which table you are going to say. It is already given. You are going to say the 7th table. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. When you will say the table, that answer is a multiple of 7. So answer is the first 5 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Example 2. Find the first 5 even multiples of 3. First 5 even. Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. First 5 even numbers I have taken. Then multiples of 3. That means which table you are going to say. Third table. So first write the table 3, then even numbers, then we have to do the multiply. 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12, 3 6 are 18, 3 eights are 24, 3 tens are 30. The answer is the first 5 even multiples of 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Example 3. Find the first 5 odd multiples of 9. First 5 odd. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First 5 I have taken. Then multiples of 9. That means which table you are going to use. Ninth table. So we have to do the multiply. 9 ones are 9. 9 threes are 27. 9 fives are 45. 9 sevens are 63. 9 nines are 81. That answer is the first 5 odd multiples of 9 are 9, 27, 45, 63 and 81. My dear children, this is a mental max. You have to do it in your classwork copy. Write the first 5 multiples of 8 and 26. First 5 number you have to take multiples of 8. That means 8th table you have to use and 26th table you have to use. Question number 2. Write the first 5 odd multiples of 5 and 11. First 5 odd numbers you have to write. Which table you are going to use? 5 and 11. Then find the answer. Question number 3. Write the first 5 even multiples of, this is 9. Second one is 19. So please correct it. So first 5 even numbers you have to write. Then table, which table? 9 and 19 you have to use. This is the multiples. Next we are going to see properties of factors. Factors means when you will say the table, that answer is a factor. Let us see the properties first. 1 is a factor of all numbers. That means we will see the example later. Second one, 1 is the smallest factor of a number. A number is a factor of itself. A number itself is the greatest factor of itself. Every number has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. The number 1 is an exception. Let us see the example. Already you have learned in the 4th class, so it is easy for you all. Finding factors. Example 4. Is 3 a factor of 36? This is yes or no question. So already I have taken in the 4th class. If that question is yes or no means we can use division method. So here 36 is a dividend, 3 is a divisor. So dividend every time we have to write inside. So divisor means which table you are going to use. That means third table. So first 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then which number is remaining? 6. Put the arrow mark, take 6. 3 twos are 6. So answer is 12. Yes, 3 is a factor of 36. Example 5. Write all the factors of 12. That means 12 means when you will say the table, answer is 12. Already, did you see the properties? 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Now you see 1 12s are, answer is 12. I told na, factor means when you will say the table, answer is 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. This much only. So when you will write the answer, the factors of 12 are 1, you have to write all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Example 6. Find the factors of 18. 18 means when you will say the table, answer is 18. So factors of 18 we are going to find. 1 18s are 18. That means 1 is a factor of all the numbers. This 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Next, you have to say the table one by one. So when that answer will come, that number you have to write. That means 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. Then again it will repeat. 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 18 1s are 18. So the factors of 18 are one time you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. This place is repeated. Understood? When you will write, this place will repeat again. So the factors of 18s are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. This is a mental max. You have to do it in your classwork copy. Dash is a factor of all numbers. This is a factor. That means 1 is a factor of all the numbers. 2 is a factor of all odd or even numbers. You have to find out the answer, then you write in the dash. Dash has only one factor. Only 1 has only one factor. Every number is a multiple of dash and dash. What is the answer? 1 and itself. The smallest multiple of 9 is, you have to find out the answer, write in the dash. My dear children, these things already you have learned in the class 4th. So it is easy for you. Please all of you do it in your classwork copy. Thank you.